A culinary journey awaits. Food festivals. Singapore hosts a variety of food festivals throughout the year. These events offer a fantastic opportunity to sample a wide array of regional and international cuisines. Cooking classes. Immerse yourself in the culture by taking a cooking class. Learn how to prepare traditional dishes and gain a deeper appreciation for Singaporean cuisine. Food tours. Guided food tours are a great way to explore different neighborhoods and discover hidden culinary gems. Learn about the history and significance of various dishes from knowledgeable guides. Food and family. Bonding over meals. Sharing meals with family and friends is a cornerstone of Singaporean culture. Use food as a way to connect with your new community and build lasting relationships. Introducing your heritage. Share your own culinary traditions with your neighbors and friends. Food can be a fantastic way to bridge cultures and create a sense of belonging. Contact us today and let's discuss your Singapore PR options. We'll help you navigate the process and ensure a successful transition to your new home. Embrace the flavors, embrace the culture, embrace Singapore.